Herbalism actually means to know the healing herbs and its effects, to gather them, and then to use it for healing purposes. So herbalism has in Slovenia very strong but also very rich tradition, and it is still quite alive and still very present in nowadays. My name is Vlasta Mlakar, and I live in this beautiful forest surrounding here in the middle of Rovte hills. Well, I make my wish come true, so I live the life I used to live before in Ljubljana, and I came here on the farm. So here I can combine with my two professions and my two passions, if I say so. So I am a writer and editor, and this is mostly now for winter time, and in other parts of the year I am farming, so I'm also a herbalist, and here I'm totally happy. My interest for healing herbs actually goes, if I think well, quite way back to my childhood, because my mother and also her mother, so my grandmother, always had their herbs in home kitchen, so I was somehow growing with this. From my precious mountainous flowers, Rovtarski chai, with 9 of different mountainous herbs. Perfect tea to start the morning. Plants were used in all parts of our culture. So for material purposes, they were used for social purposes like rituals and so on, as I said, and they also play an important role in spiritual life of our ancestors. Mostly women were keepers of this knowledge, and of course this knowledge is now quite changed because the way of living is changed, and the one part or some parts of this knowledge are probably lost forever, especially magical ways of healing. If I tell for myself, the most fascinating thing which I recognized during this study was actually the attitude which our ancestors have towards the nature, because for each thing they took from nature, they always show respect, they always show gratitude, they always show, and they maybe with minor things, they always offer to nature something in return. It's a circle, it's an exchange of energy and love and everything. Boing, boing. Long live plant kingdom.